Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm here with this week's update on what may impact mortgage interest rates. Optimal Blue reports that the 30-year fixed averaged at about 6.478% as of last Friday, August 16th. And this is a slight improvement from the previous week's report that I provided you, where it was at about 6.5%. So we are still seeing a good trend here, staying around 6.5 or lower, based off of this Optimal Blue report. And remember that this is an average of rates locked with about 35% of the lenders for a conforming mortgage, and that it is also, we don't know how many points are being paid with it, what the down payments are, or credit scores, or any of the factors that go into pricing a rate. So if you'd like to have a rate priced for your personal scenario, please reach out to me. I am happy to help you with that. And it may not seem like there's a lot on the calendar this week, but we will hear from the Fed with the release of the FOMC minutes and the Fed's meeting at Jackson Hole, which will be winding up on Friday with Fed Chair Powell speaking. And so that may impact mortgage rates. So we'll be watching that closely. And as I prepare this for you around 12:30 Seattle time, you can see that mortgage-backed securities are pretty flat. We are just up 6 basis points right now. And if you look at the past, for the last week or so, that it's been a pretty tight range. There's a little bit of a bounce going on. So we'll see what happens this week with the Fed. The Mortgage Bankers Association released their August forecast with a slight improvement over July's, and I'm talking slight, we're talking maybe a tenth of a percent on some of the rates being forecasted through the 2025. They're showing that they're forecasting 5.9 by the fourth quarter of next year. I think we're going to see rates like that before them, but that's my opinion, and people aren't paying me to make those forecasts. But let's see. We'll just have to watch this and see how these rates pan out. I do think they're being a tad bit conservative. The Covenant Homeownership Act was created to help correct the injustice of housing discrimination, such as redlining, to help families impacted begin building wealth through homeownership. This program provides down payment and closing cost assistance for first-time homebuyers in the form of a loan secondary to the primary loan. You may be eligible for this program if you or your parent or grandparent lived in Washington State before 1968, if they are Black, Hispanic, Indigenous, Native Hawaiian, Pacific Islander, Korean, or Asian Indian. Income, it needs to be under 100% of the area median income in your county. You need to be a first-time homebuyer, meaning that you've not owned a home in the past 3 years, and homebuyer education is required. So if you'd like more information about this really special program through the Washington State Housing Finance Commission, please contact me. If you're considering buying a home or maybe remodeling or refinancing, please reach out to me. Even if your plans aren't for like a year or so away, you can never start too early to start putting together a game plan or a strategy for your next mortgage. I'm happy to help you or anyone that you know. Hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.